Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plants, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be using this gorgeous kit called Summer Stories from Twolilbees. It's in rose gold foil, and I've been kind of waiting towards the end of summer to use it just because it gave me that sunset vibe. I don't know. I did not have a floral deco sheet for this. I don't think Maria offered one. There is floral deco that is included with the kit, but not like its own sheet. So I did pull in some florals from Sadie's Stickers. Sadie's Stickers to the rescue. I was really excited with how this spread turned out. I always love planning with Twolilbees kits. But anyways, I'm going to speed you guys along, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day to day. Okay, so the first thing that I am doing here is just marking a Hulu binge that I had. I'm trying to go a little bit extra in these last couple of summer spreads that I'm doing because, you know, it's the last couple of weeks of summer and I really want to use as many deco pieces as possible. So I did go a little extra just to mark a Hulu binge, but I really like what I did here. I utilized the scallop circle that came with the functional add-on, and I layered it with one of those framed circles from Miniriotco. That's actually one of the circles that comes on my deluxe freebie if you make an order of $25 or more and then put my name in the notes. I love this particular circle right here, this circle frame. I love the floral accent. So beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorites, and it's the perfect size to write, you know, a couple of words in, what you're doing, all of that good jazz. I did layer some honey inked sea life clusters and then some florals from the kit, and the little TV is from a Paperella story. I have not hauled those yet. A haul is coming. It's a very large fall haul. Fall haul. You ever say something and it just sounds weird to say? Say fall haul and let me know if it's weird for you to say. Anyways, jumping down, I wanted to mark that I went to go and check on my husband's rehearsal space. So this week was kind of crazy because literally my entire family got sick. Like, everyone was down for the count. My mom, my dad, my brother, my husband, we all live in like the general area of each other. Except for me. I was the only one who did not get sick. So I was like the only healthy person. My husband has a rehearsal space that he and his band rehearse their sets in and everything. And since he was sick, he wasn't able to get up and go and check on it. So I took that opportunity on this day to go and check on all of their equipment and whatnot, make sure everything was still good. So to mark that, I pull in one of the quarter boxes from the kit. I layered some florals on the corner there with that sea life divider is actually from Sadie's Stickers. I believe I used it in another spread not too long ago. I just cut it in half and layered the bottom of it. I really like the way that looked. And then the microphone icon is from Crafts by Towie. I wanted to mark that I had a gym workout on this night, so I layered some florals from the kit with with a Sea Life cluster from Honey Inked. The scallop circle is from Meg B Makes, and those little weights are from A Paperella Story. I had a chicken salad for dinner, so I pull in one of those midi floral boxes from the kit. That little flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the icon is from Crafts by Towie. And then I capped off the night and I just watched Ghost Adventures with my husband. The little icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then I filled in the white space at the bottom with some florals from... So actually, this particular floral down here is from an extra sheet from Sadie Stickers. Like I said at the beginning, this kit did not come with an extra sheet of florals. It just came with some mini florals sprinkled in here and there, but I am extra AF and need all of the florals, so I pulled in some florals from Sadie Stickers. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I had a group call with my siblings. Now that everyone is back home, we do that more frequently, which is really nice. I love being so close to all my siblings. My sister is about to have her 5th baby, so I'm really excited about that. But to mark that, I love doing this where I pull in the scallop quarter boxes from the kit and I layer it over top of the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio. I just feel like that looks really pretty. I love that particular layering. The vintage phone is from White Deer Stationery and the bow is from Bloom Paper Studio. Then I wanted to mark that I went on a grocery run, so I layered a lace box from Bloom Paper Studio with the scallop box from the kit. The florals are from the add-on deco sheet, or not the add-on deco sheet, they're from the little speckling of deco that came with the kit. The floral clusters are once again from Honey Inked, and the icon is from Crafts by Towie. I wanted to mark that I got in some of my makeup for my film makeup, or my set makeup bag for the film that I will be working on. So to mark that, I just pull in another quarter box from the kit. The icon is from Crafts by Towie. I wanted to mark that I made tacos for dinner, so I pull in some more florals, another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The little apron is from White Deer Stationery. And then I did fall asleep on the couch, so I pulled in another floral, and the little couch icon is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I took a friend to work. So to mark that, I pull in one of the midi square boxes with the florals on it from the kit. All of the mini deco that's in this kit is either from Sadie Stickers or from Honey Inked. The majority of it is from Honey Inked. So I just don't want to sound redundant. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. The car is from White Deer Stationery. I also wanted to mark that I got my first my first vaccine shot on this day. I was really super nervous about it for some reason. Like, I hadn't gotten a shot in so long, and of course your brain wants to make it out like shots are like way worse than it really is. So, and I went by myself, no one went with me. And so I was sitting there like psyching myself up, and then like it was done and the nurse was like, okay. And I was like, oh, okay, that was it? Cool. But anyways, to mark that, I pulled in a scallop circle from the kit, layered it with a Sea Life cluster from Honey Inked. The stethoscope is from White Deer Stationery, and that beautiful flourish is from Sadie Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I had to take my little fur baby in for a vet appointment. He was due for some shots himself, so it was kind of funny. He and I both had to go and get some shots on this day. Oh no. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in another quarter box from the kit. I line the florals at the bottom. I pull in a dainty divider from Sadie Stickers, and the paw is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that a good friend of mine came over and grabbed some meds, so I do the same layering technique with the scallop circle from the kit and that circle frame from Miniriotco. That's from my freebie. And the little medicine bottle is from White Deer Stationery. And then of course some florals from Sadie Stickers from the kit, and the Sea Life cluster is from Honey Inked. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that I slept in on this day, so I pull in one of these, this is a circle frame from Sadie Stickers. I layer it with some florals from Sadie Stickers as well. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the sleep mask is from A Paperella Story. I wanted to mark that I did some editing on this day, so I do the layering technique that I really like with the lace quarter box and the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio. The edit icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the edit script is from Ice Cream Joe. I wanted to mark that I had another Hulu binge on this day, so I pull in another floral midi box from the kit. The TV is from the Glitter Mama. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and I pull in a lot of those mini dot deco from Honey Inked. I love them. I feel like they just add a little something something to your spread, and it just makes me happy. I didn't really have much to write on this day, so I marked that a bill was due. I know, super fun. But I tried to make it look cute by layering some florals with some honey inked. The scallop circles from Meg B Makes, and the little credit cards are from White Deer Stationery. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband were watching Jackass. It's just that stupid humor, like just that really, really, really stupid humor. Like rot your brain cells type of humor. But it made my husband laugh, and he had been really sick, so I wanted to do something that made him happy. But to mark that, I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some florals from Sadie Stickers, along with a dainty dot divider from Sadie Stickers. The TV console is from Cross by Towie. Jumping over to Friday, I am marking Sleeping In the exact same way as I marked it the day before, with the circle frame from Sadie Stickers, the florals. I believe those are florals from Sadie Stickers as well. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, the sleep mask from A Paperella Story. I also wanted to mark that I talked to my mom on this day to kind of check in and see how her and my dad were doing. They were both, sick, and I get worried about them because, they are older and whatnot, and I just wanted to check in on them. So to mark that, I pull in another floral midi box, the Sea Life cluster from Honey Inked, and the cell phone is from the Glitter Mama. I pull in another flourish from Sadie Stickers. I try my best to pull in one of those flourishes every other day, just to kind of keep it cohesive and a good little flow going on in my spread this week. Then I wanted to mark that I did have a video go live on this day. I believe this was the day that my August or September, one of my setup videos in my functional planner went live. I can't remember which one. But to mark that, I do the Thick Lace Washi from Bloom Paper Studio, the scallop quarter box, and the icon is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. I love that icon. The problem is just like the colors of it are very specific, and you have to match it with certain spreads. But that's fine with me because it means that my icons will last longer. Then to cap off the night, I did film a haul. This was the fall haul that I filmed. So to mark that, I pull in sticker sheets, stickers from Cross by Towie, and the film script is from Artbox Stickers. And then I just filled in the empty space with some florals. Okay, jumping over to Saturday, I'm marking that I was up early on this day. So to mark that, I pull in some florals, a Sea Life cluster, the scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The alarm clock is from Cross by Towie. I had a balloon gig on this day, which is why I was up early. I wanted to get up early enough to get ready and actually get to my event on time. So to mark the balloon gig, I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some florals from Sadie Stickers, a dainty divider. The little balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic. I wanted to mark that I had a lunch date with my adopted grandpa, so I pull in one of the layering pieces from the kit. The layering hexagon, some florals from the kit, and the little utensils are from Cross by Towie. I wanted to mark that me and my husband kind of fell asleep and we snuggled on this day, so I marked that with another midi floral box from the kit. The pillows are from Cross by Towie, and that flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. I feel like I'm being super redundant because I tried to use as many of the same stickers throughout this spread as possible just to keep it cohesive. I've really been enjoying how my spreads are looking and how more put together, quote unquote, they've been looking. So I've been really calculated, so to speak, with how I lay things down. I try to have a method to my madness rather than just laying stickers down all willy-nilly. But anyways, I marked editing with the Thick Lace Washi, the scallop quarter box, the edit script is from Ice Cream Joe, and the edit icon is from Cross by Towie. Ooh, okay, on Sunday, this was really exciting to me because I got to upload my collab plan with me with Tay, Ashante Plans. It was serious. As soon as I discovered both Tay and Rachel, I was like, oh my gosh, it would be a dream of mine to, get to know them and become their friend and whatnot. And I just feel so insanely lucky and blessed that I've been able to do a collaboration with both of them. I love them both so much. They're so talented, and I look up to them and respect them so much in this community, and I'm just always so grateful for any opportunity I have to, get to know them more and do any projects with them. So this was really, really fun for me, and I wanted to mark it really special. So I layered the scallop box with a foiled scallop box, some florals. The dot mini deco is from Honey Inked, and the spiral planner is from White Deer Stationery, and I really love how that turned out. It looked Oh, I was just really happy with that particular layering section in my planner. I wanted to mark that I cleaned my kitchen on this day, so I pull in a third box from the kit, some florals, another dainty divider from Sadie Stickers, and nothing new, an icon from Crafts by Towie. Oh, I love Crafts by Towie icons so much. They just make my heart so happy. I pull in another flourish from Sadie Stickers. I wanted to mark that I listened to my Office Ladies podcast, so I pull in another layering hexagon, some florals, and then the last clip of me layering those stickers for having Chipotle for dinner and then doing my voiceover got cut out, but I really liked how I layered them. If you have any questions about what stickers I use, feel free to ask me. These are the leftovers that I have along with the Viv Wiggle. I hope everybody is staying safe and staying well out there, especially everyone in Louisiana right now. My heart goes out to y'all. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.